What's up, YouTube? It's your boy God Made Dan back at it with another video. This is the beginning of the rookie trading series. We're going to be going over everything that I believe that a rookie should know when they are beginning to trade. We will be on the chart sometimes, and sometimes I'll just be maneuvering around on different websites to show you more information that you need as a trader. For this specific video, I'm going to be showing you how to utilize Trade Locker and give a little bit of information about brokers and how to sign up for one. So let's go ahead and hop on the charts. What's up, guys? Where am I set up? Like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to utilize different trading platforms. Right now, the only trading platform that I do use will be Trade Locker. If you guys don't know about them, you can kind of do your research on them. They're a new trading platform. We did used to use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, but there's a lot of history with MetaQuotes and the US cutting ties with them. So there's a lot of things on the back end that really doesn't matter right now because there have been other trading platforms before MetaQuotes. But right now, I'm going to show you guys how to make an account and trade just like how I trade. The first thing that you have to do is join the Discord. Once you join the Discord, you can go ahead and go to the rules section, accept the rules, and just scroll down to the bottom and you'll see we have two options. We have KOT Forex or we have Sway Markets. Now for Sway Markets, they use a completely different trading platform. It's their own in-house platform. I haven't yet even been able to try it out, but I do have an account with Sway Markets. I just haven't traded with them in about a year or so. Right now, I'm currently with KOT Forex. You guys want to go with that because that's what I'm currently using and that's what I'm showing in this demo. And go ahead. Like I said, you can always do your own research. All you have to do is click on the link. Now that we've clicked the link, it's going to take you directly to the website. As you can see right here, it does say Kings of Transparency, which stands for KOT. And you're going to see their starting deposits. You'll also see their leverage, and you'll also see the lot deposit, the currencies, the stocks, and the cryptos. There's also commodities that they aren't showing, but you can even go down further and they'll show you just about their spreads. We'll go over spreads a little bit later in the video because that has to do with you being on the charts, and that might also be a terminology type of section that we may save for another day, but we'll see. So we have a FX majors, we have a FX crosses, exotics, indices, energy, crypto, EU shares, US shares, and metals. It's just everything that you can trade utilizing their broker, meaning that you're not stuck to just trading Forex. For my individuals who want to trade something like crypto or EU shares or US shares, which are stocks, you can trade those as well through this broker, and they do have tight spreads for these specific asset classes. Now, if you want to go ahead and make an account, all you have to do is click start trading or sign up for an account. After you complete all the prompts, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which looks like this, and then you have to go through a verification process before you're able to really do anything. I believe there's a $1,500 deposit limit that you do have. I don't know about withdrawal limits, and it only lasts for 30 days, meaning that you have 30 days to verify yourself. It's either 30 days or 14 days. I don't know which one. I haven't gone through that process in a very long time. You have to verify yourself using either an ID, passport, or something of that nature, and then you're able to fully access the platform. So like I said, I do utilize Trade Locker, and you can see it in the bottom left hand corner. They are partnered with Trade Locker, and it just works perfectly fine for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make an account. All you have to do is go over to my accounts here, and then you just click the account type. You can do Trade Locker ECN or Trade Locker Demo. ECN means live, and then demo is a demo account. You can select anything on that. We're gonna be showing you how to utilize Trade Locker today. So I'm gonna be showing you my demo account. I'll be showing you the live. We'll save that for another video. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make a deposit. The only way that you can open a live account with KOT is first by depositing funds, which we do so by crypto. You go to deposit funds, you click your deposit type, and then you can do BTC, USDT, you got Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ripple. You have many options. I recommend Bitcoin only because the fees on ERC20 is high. If you do not have Ethereum on the blockchain, then it's kind of pointless because you have to buy extra. If you have Dogecoin laying around, sure, why not? If you have Ripple laying around, sure, why not? So after you guys have made the deposit, in order for you to actually trade these funds, you have to go to internal transfer and then select transfer type. You would do wallet to trading platform, and then you would just transfer it from your wallet to your trading platform. It'll be your account over here and the wallet over here, and then you're able to trade with that money. Now that we've gone through everything that is on KOT Forex, well, we'll go through one more, which is just the withdrawals. It's a very simple process. All you have to do is do the withdrawal type. You can do ERC20, Bitcoin, TRC20. For these, you don't need extra Ethereum. Like I said, for the deposit, it's only to cover the blockchain fees that come with Ethereum, and they're normally 10% of whatever you're withdrawing, which is kind of a lot. So I normally just do Bitcoin because it's the easiest for me. ERC20 is normally going to be instant, and then you just click request withdrawal and you insert your crypto address. When you're making a withdrawal, you want to ensure that your crypto addresses match up. That is the correct crypto address that you are putting in there. And to get your crypto address, you just have to go to your crypto exchange platform, copy that address. If you're depositing Bitcoin, it's going to have a specific address. If you're depositing ERC20, which is together on the Ethereum network, you would have to copy that Ethereum address, whichever one. Make sure that you double check it and then put it in there, because if you do input the wrong crypto address, I've seen people try to type it out themselves. If you miss one character, you're sending that to somebody completely different and you lose all your money. That is crypto. That has nothing to do with KOT. It's nothing to do with me. It has everything to do with you. So I just want you guys to remember that. If you type in the wrong characters and you send it to another address, that's 100% user error. You always want to double check. It doesn't matter the amount. You always want to double check just to see if that crypto address that you're actually inputting into KOT is the correct one, because they have to send it to that account. It's just like if you put the wrong bank account number when you're getting a deposit from another company. If you put the wrong account number, it gets sent to somebody else's account. That's basically what a crypto address is. Everybody has their own dedicated account. But now that we've gone through everything on this section on the platform, we'll save some of the other things for another time. As you can see, you see verification documents, fund me, etc. We'll save that for some other videos. We're going to go ahead and hop straight into the trading platform, which is TradeLocker. All right, guys, so we now are on TradeLocker. I've already made this demo account a while ago for my students. I had to do a walkthrough video for them, and now I'm doing a walkthrough video for you guys. To utilize TradeLocker is very simple. You can also customize what this looks like. It doesn't have to look like this for you. For instance, I keep mine a lot like this, and if I ever want to submit any trades, I can just have this up, but I normally have this off just so I can look at charts. And I normally have my trading view over on my other computer, and I'm just going between the both. Like I mark up over there and I'm looking for entries over here. Now, as you can see, this is powered by TradingView. So everything is TradingView. You can customize your charts however you want to. And to do that, all you have to do is right click on your mouse, go to settings, or if you're on your phone, I believe you just click this little guy over here, this little gear, and it'll pull up these. And then you can just completely customize your chart. So to give an example, let's change my candlesticks to blue. So that's the body. I want to change my up candlesticks to blue. I mess with blue. And as you guys know, my secondary color is gray. So we'll make my candlestick black so we can see them on the canvas. And we'll go over here and change the color to gray like that. Or we'll go like a little lighter gray. Right? And if you guys want to do a gradient, there is a gradient that you can do as well. So we can do like a gray that fades into a white, which you can kind of see it at the top is gray and then at the bottom is white. And then if you don't like the grid lines that you do see in the background, you can go ahead and turn those off and make your charts completely blank. And you can also change your price lines, change everything that you want to. You can also change the time to make it align up with whatever time zone that you're in. You're going to go ahead and do UTC -6, which is Chicago, which is Central Time. And then now, look, you have your chart. So you can completely customize them however you want. You can make them purple, you can make them green, who cares? That's not the focus of today's video. I'm just showing you guys how to use TradeLocker, just a quick little overview. Now, we want to buy or sell. Like, let's say I believe that this is going to go up, right? I can buy. Now, what we see this right here, this is how much we're putting on any specific pip. We're going to go over the pips in another video, terminology, but basically it's interest in the market. That's the easiest way for me to sum it up for you right now. Now, we have buy, we have sell. If I think it's going down, I'm going to sell. If I think it's going up, I'm going to buy. So let's see. And keep in mind that when you see this, I know right now it says 4 cents, but really you're risking 40 cents per inch in the market. All you have to do is just move the decimal point over to the right and you get your answer every time. So I'm going to go ahead and go 1.0, $10. We're on a demo account. It doesn't really matter. Do I recommend you do this? No, not if you don't know what you're doing. And if you don't have the account balance to do so. This is a demo account with like 10K in it or 8K. This is drop in the bucket, right? And now we have something known as a stop loss and a take profit. A stop loss basically says, hey, if I believe, like, let's say it goes below 0.90253. If you're looking on the screen with me, we'll go, okay, if it goes below there, I don't want to be in it. 0.9025. If it goes below there, I don't want to be in it. But then we say, hey, if it goes up to here, I want to cash out. Okay, so 0.90664. 0.90664, right? And one thing about TradeLocker that I do love is that they show you how many ticks. So this is just about 10 ticks to gain 30 ticks right here. And on top of that, we're risking just about $74 to make $216 from the current price level. And as you can see, it keeps changing, right? And that's because the price over here as to where you're going to be getting in is changing. Now, this top line right here is where you're getting in. The price is right here. You can see that there's a gap. That's what spread is. Spread is the difference between you and the price. And to just make this super simple, what's basically basically happening is you're paying that fee to the broker. The broker is saying, hey, my fee is this. They're making the money off of that difference, right? This little gap right here is how much you're paying them. Is it something that goes against you? No, it's really not a big difference. If you are making good sound trades, it will not affect you in any way, shape, or form. It's not even a pip normally. It's normally a pip or like maybe 2 pips. So if we believe it's going to go up, we're going to go ahead and just click buy, right? And because I do not have one click trading on, it's going to do this every time, meaning that if I make any submissions, it's just not going to go through until I confirm. We can go ahead and take that off and then just press confirm. And now my entry is submitted, and we can go ahead and take this off of our screen, and boom. So that's how you submit orders on TradeLocker. It's literally just that simple. There's nothing more that goes into it. And I know a lot of people have been getting confused with the trades panel. Over here is where you make your decisions. We've already submitted the trade. We got that in. But let's say I submitted too high of a position, but I still do believe in the trade. And this is what we do, something known as a partial close position. Or let's say it's getting very close to our take profit, and then we just want to get out with some of the profits but leave the rest running. You can do that as well, because you have to understand that a stop loss and a take profit, these are automatic functions. These are things that will happen while you're not present. You can be at work and you set these trades in the morning before you go to work. It's going to do it while you're at work. This is how you can trade and live your life at the exact same time. You don't have to actively be on the chart the entire time. Now, to do a partial close, all you have to do is click partial close, and then it's going to give you how much of your position do you want to close. Let's say we want to close half. So we'll do simple math, that's 0.5, and then we just close it like that. Boom. Now you see our position was partially closed, meaning we got out with, in this instance, a loss. But let's say it was in profit, we would have got out with whatever that was in profit. And then you can see the trade is still active, but our lot size changed. It went from 1.0 to 0.5. We cut it in half. Now, if you wanted to completely exit out of this position, what would you do? You would click close position. Just like that. There's no confirmation because we have turned off one-click trading. And that is how you submit, how you close orders, how you set your stop loss, how you set your take profit, how you do partial closes as well. Now, you may see something on the right side of the screen that does look a little confusing, is the market section. That's everything that you have access to trade, and you'll see we do have a search bar over here. So for me, I personally trade gold, so it's going to be with the symbol XAU USD, because XAU is the symbol for gold, and then we just go straight to it. And then something that I like to do is I just turn on the favorites, and then all of that is just gone. Like, I don't trade everything else, so I don't need all of that on my screen. I can just go straight to it every time. And it's literally that simple. So TradeLocker is a lot more simplistic than MetaQuotes was. It was very outdated, and it was very complicated to try to teach new people how to use it, but this one makes it a lot easier. And there's one thing that I did forget about, which was our market orders and our pending orders. So there's such thing as buy stops, sell stops, buy limits, sell limits, and these are just pending orders. I don't know if we'll get very in-depth into that because that's a little bit more advanced and it's a lot more hands-off trading. I like to teach my people to be hands-on, but there are pending orders that you can set, and it's just like how you would in TradingView. Let's say let's say I want to buy when price gets higher than 2640. I would just click the plus sign that you just saw me click right there, and then I can do either an alert or I can do a pending order and click pending order, and then you'll see it changed over here, and now we have either a sell limit or a buy stop. But like I said, I want to get in for a buy once it passes to 640. So we just set our trade. It's just like taking a trade, go 1.0, and then you just click buy stop, and then boom, it's a pending order. Does it activate? No, that's what the pending is for. It only activates once it goes through that price. You can do the same thing with a sell. It's literally the exact same way. You just pick a position. You could say once it goes below 2628, I want to sell. Do a pending order, do a sell stop. Or you can say once it gets to 2628, I want to buy. You can do a buy limit. There's so many things that you can do. I'm not going to go in depth on teaching that because there's no need for you guys to know that right now. Remember, this is trading for rookies. I'm not really teaching you to be a pro. I'm teaching you how to be a rookie. These are things that you do need to know to even be in the market at all. This does not make you a trader, but this does put you on your journey to becoming a rookie trader. There's a lot more that goes into trading. It's not just buying, selling, and that's it. Lastly, if you guys want to be able to see your pending orders, closed positions, the balance changes, and the trades that you've taken, they're all in this section, which is the trading panel. And you can also just customize it how you want to, take off those, and then just look at it however
however you want to. Just like that. It's literally as simple as it can get. Like I said, Trade Locker really makes it very simplistic for newbies, especially my rookies out here. It's way easier than what I had to learn on meta quotes, and I don't see myself going back even if they make peace with the US, and that's what we start doing. And that was a quick navigation on Trade Locker, how to make an account. We went over some terminology in this video. We will be making a whole other video on all the terminology that I believe every rookie should have when they are beginning their trading journey, and we'll also go over how to read charts. So stay tuned for more. I want to go ahead and take a section out of this video to extend thanks. I appreciate all the support that I've gotten within the past week, really just the past couple of days from you guys. As I'm recording this, this is, I believe, the beginning of December, and I've only posted my first trading video in 2 years just a couple of days ago, and it's already at 1,000 views, and I've gained over 50 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys, which is why I took my time out to make an additional series, Trading for Rookies. If you guys have any other questions, make sure you join my Discord and you just be there. If you're active, I'm able to see that. Those are the only notifications that I do have on my phone besides trading is my Discord. There's been a lot of people asking me about brokers, asking me about if I teach or not. All of those things are in my Discord. I do have a course. I do teach. It's not something that I promote. It is something that is there as a resource for you guys if you want to get more in-depth teaching and if you like videos styled like this but just a lot more in-depth with me teaching. But I absolutely appreciate everybody who is here on my journey, especially everybody who did drop positive comments. You guys are the GOAT, because I'm looking to build a very positive community for traders, not just myself, but also for any other new trader that is looking to get into the market. I don't want it to be intimidating for them. So stay tuned for more videos like these. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications if you want to stay updated on this series. I'll catch you guys in the next video. God made Dan out.